video, I'm going to show you how to use Google Forms to schedule appointments that has choice eliminator. So I'm going to actually go and open up a Google form. The title is going to be called Data Chat Appointments. And I am going to put a title such as your name, and that's going to be a short answer. It's going to be required. I also want to add on something, and this is where I'm going to have please select a time to meet. Nice and simple. And I'm going to put my options here. Let's just say 8 o'clock, 8:30, 9 o'clock, 9:30, 10 o'clock, 10:30, etc. All right. And so after you do that, what I want to do is I'm going to make that one required as well. I want to go to my add-ons at the top, and I have one called choice removal. You can download whichever one you like, but it is choice removal, choice eliminator, things like that. Once you have that add-on, it's going to search for whichever questions contain a multiple choice. And in this case is going to be this one. So once I hit the please select, all right, once I hit the please select, I'm going to toggle on where it says remove choices. That's going to allow them, as students choose a particular time, is going to actually remove it. All right, so looking at this, let me go ahead and preview it. So they're going to put their name, and I'm going to put D, and then I'm going to select, let's just say 8 o'clock. When I hit submit and I go back, give me 1 second. Let me get out of here. Let me get out of this one. When I go back and take a look at it, it's going to actually let me know that there's one person that responded and they chose 8 o'clock. Now, when the next person comes and they do it, 8 o'clock is gone. If you notice, 8 o'clock is gone. So let me choose 10 o'clock. So this person is going to choose 10 o'clock. And this is going to be Tommy. Tommy is going to submit it. And then once Tommy submit his, we're going to go back. And now if you notice, 10 o'clock is missing. Then I'm going to pick another one. And I am going to put Jessica here. And Jessica, she wants the 8:30 slot. And if you notice, every time we submitted, hold on, I changed that. That's what I wanted. Okay, so if you notice, every time a student or a person inputs something, the time is removed. All right, so now I have 8 o'clock is gone, 9 o'clock is 10 o'clock is gone. What you want to do next is you want to go to your responses and you see the time. Now, the way they have it now on this pie chart is they have it color coded, right? They have it color coded, and you can actually go and toggle through to the individual person. But what you want to do is you want to download those responses into a spreadsheet, to an Excel sheet. Once you download that, you should be able to see all of your students. It should actually tell you which times they signed up for, and there you have it. So now I have D signed up for 8 o'clock, Tommy signed up for 10 o'clock, Jessica signed up for 9 o'clock, and then you can use whatever you need to use to rearrange these cells. You can rearrange, sort, and filter those cells so that way you have them in numerical order. So that is how you use the choice eliminator to schedule appointments. And I can just simply delete all the responses. They ask me, am I sure? I say yes. And when I go back to the questions and refresh, all of the choices should be back on there.